All right, so I was having a conversation with Icy, Eli, and Chris, and we were all talking, and Eli said, "Hey guys, hey bro, check out what I just made," and he shows me a picture of this delicious fish dip that he made with Yellow Jack, and I thought, I have Yellow Jack in my fridge. I'm gonna make some fish dip too. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a pan, put some foil paper on it. Gonna grab our pan cooking spray and just spray it on there all nicely. Next thing we're gonna do is grab our Yellow Jack. By the way, your oven has to be preheated at 350 degrees beforehand, so keep that in mind. So we're gonna put our pieces of Yellow Jack on here. Are we gonna season it? Nope. Gonna toss it in just like that. Put it in the oven and give it about 15 minutes. Alright, so while that's in there cooking, don't forget to leave the cream cheese out because you kind of want that softened, so you don't want to take it out straight from the fridge to mix into your fish dip. So just leave that out while the fish is cooking. Give it a chance to soften up. Alright, so after about 15 minutes, pull it out of the oven. Check it to make sure the fish is cooked. Should be. Awesome, looks cooked. If your fish hasn't cooked all the way yet, just put it back in the oven for 5 minutes. But if it has, just let it sit out here and let it cool for a few. We're just gonna go ahead and grab, that's hot, a small piece of Yellow Jack and try it out. All right, so baked Yellow Jack, no seasoning. Tastes pretty good. Next thing we're gonna do is take our fancy green bowl or whatever bowl you guys are planning on using. Go ahead and take your fish, put it in the bowl. There's no fancy way of doing this. Just grab it and toss it in. What you're gonna do is just kind of break it up a little bit. Alright, so next thing we're gonna do is get some of this softened cream cheese. Put one, put 2 spoons in there. Get off! I'm kind of just eyeballing this. There's really no recipe that I'm following, so I'm kind of just doing this to taste. If it needs more cream cheese, I'm going to put more cream cheese in there, or any of the other ingredients I'm going to put in. Alright, next we're going to throw in some sour cream. Alright, next thing to go in is going to be some mayonnaise. And if you're not using Dukes, you guys got to start using Dukes, man. Let go of that other junk. You got to use Dukes. And to open up another jar of Dukes, so about another 2 spoons will do it. All right, a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Put in a little more pepper and actual salt. Awesome. All right, so if you guys have yourself some green onions laying around, just chop up a little bit of green onions to add to the fish dip. So we're throwing some green onions in the mix. Next, we're getting some cheddar cheese. Now, you guys can use whatever cheese you want, but we're using cheddar. Throw some in there. And again, if it needs more, we'll add some more. But right now, we're using about a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And as our boy Sam, the cooking guy, would say, and we mix. Alright, so just because I have it here, I'm going to throw in some heat, some Everglades heat. Alright, so even though we're supposed to refrigerate this, I'm going to go ahead and grab a cracker and try a little bit. Dip it right into that. Oh my God, that's good. It's freaking delicious. Tammy doesn't want to be on camera right now, but how is it?
It's really good.
It's really good?
Yeah.
All right. Let's put this stuff away. All right, so where do we find the Tupperware in this kitchen? And you should know in any Hispanic household, the Tupperware is in the dishwasher. All right, and there we have it, you guys. Delicious, easy to make fish dip. So if I can make this, you guys can make this. I'm not just saying that. I'm really not a good cook. Sometimes when I feel I can be, I don't know, my wife says otherwise, but so yeah, we're gonna stick this in the fridge, have it cool down, eat it tomorrow, maybe share with some of my friends and family, right babe?
No.
All right, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go ahead and make this fish dip. You're not gonna regret it. I'll see you guys next time. Cool down my butt.